showers as we start Wednesday across Scotland. The snow gradually easing through the day, whilst heavy showers develop elsewhere. Unsettled weather down to low pressure to the southwest of the country. That will move across central parts of Britain during Wednesday. You can see a stark temperature contrast across Britain. Mild air making inroads into the south, but cold air remaining firmly across central and northern parts of Scotland. Now, this low pressure will bring heavy showers across England and Wales through the day. Weather fronts moving north, bringing more prolonged bouts of rain. But close to this front, across central Scotland, begin Wednesday with outbreaks of snow, even at lower levels, but certainly over the hills could cause issues. Yellow warning in force. Come further south and a prolonged spell of rain now from the far north of England, moving into southern Scotland, springing upon Northern Ireland as well. At this stage, central and eastern parts of England, dry, some sunshine, but heavy, intense downpours across Wales and the southwest will push their way east through the day. Taking some time to reach East Anglia in the southeast, but they will get there. And when they arrive, well, you'll know about it. They're certainly going to be lively showers. You can see some hail and thunder mixed in as well. But away from the showers, of course, there will be some sunshine. Very little sunshine on offer for central and southern Scotland, as well as the far north of England. Here, outbreaks of rain near the coast, sleet inland, and certainly snow over the hills. The snow gradually easing away from central Scotland and beginning to melt at lower levels. For the far northwest, though, brighter skies, and for Northern Ireland, some sunshine coming through by the end of the day. Cold in the north, but in the south it's mild. However, through Wednesday night, well, the rain, sleet and snow clears into the North Sea, clear skies for most places, and then a widespread frost starts to turn up with temperatures below freezing in the countryside and across northern and western parts of Britain. Certainly a chilly start to Thursday, but a bright start because Thursday's looking mostly fine. A ridge of high pressure builds in from the west, and then the ridge of high pressure, weather fronts just about staying away, with plenty of sunshine on offer through Thursday morning. Just some clouds and showers to clear away from East Anglia in the southeast first thing. 1 or 2 showers possible for the far north of Scotland, as well as through western parts of the central belt and into southern areas. But on the whole, much of the country enjoying a day of sunny skies. And with lighter winds, of course, this April sunshine will feel perfectly pleasant, although temperatures not particularly mild just yet. There is warmer weather on the way, and you can find more details on the Met Office website and by following your local forecast on the Met Office app or by following us on social media. Bye-bye. Hello again. Winter refuses to release its grip across parts of Scotland, with further snow to come through Tuesday night. Clear spells elsewhere. Mild temperatures in the south, but a few showers just brushing southwestern areas and moving up through Wales and northern England. More prolonged rain setting in for Northern Ireland, as well as bouts of wet weather moving through the central belt. But it's through this central swathe of Scotland where we've got a spell of persistent snowfall, not just over the hills, even at lower levels, like the Great Glen, and that could cause issues by the time we start Wednesday. Snow warning in force, an additional 5 to 10, locally 15 centimetres building up through the next 24 hours. These are the temperatures up and down the country, staying cold in the north, but in the south, generally frost-free. Despite the clear skies, we've got mild air, we've got fairly brisk winds, particularly at this stage across southern and southwestern parts of England, where we're close to an area of low pressure. That low pressure to the southwest will move across central parts of Britain through Wednesday, bringing some intense downpours. These weather fronts bringing more prolonged spells of wet weather, and the one in the north, of course, bringing those outbreaks of snowfall, which gradually through Wednesday morning will begin to fizzle out. Next bout of persistent rain moving through the far north of England into southern Scotland, clearing from Northern Ireland for a time, and then across the rest of England, as well as Wales. But it's a case of sunny spells and intense downpours. These downpours will be lasting a long time in places, with the risk of hail and thunder, along with gusty winds, particularly for southern counties of England, where the wind will be brisk near the coast. Also a brisk wind in the far northwest, but that helps to clear the snowfall. Brighter skies emerging into northwest Scotland as well as Northern Ireland, and just a few showers. But it's another grey and cold day for central and southern Scotland. Here, outbreaks of rain at lower levels, some sleetiness in the central belt as well as the southern uplands, and snowfall above 200-300 metres or so. That slowly peters out and pushes away into the North Sea during Wednesday evening. An improving picture for most areas. The
Quite
showers
good.
across England and Wales also disappearing through the night. And then look at this, a slice of clear skies moving in. By dawn, and under those clear skies and with light winds, fairly widespread frost turning up across northern and western Britain. So a chilly start to Thursday, but a ridge of high pressure moves across the country to bring most places the best day of the working week. These weather fronts staying away at least until Friday, and under that ridge of high pressure, beautiful start to the day. Just one or two showers to get rid of first thing from East Anglia in the southeast. One or two further showers continuing across parts of Scotland. Again, some flakes of snow over the hills here. But for the majority, long spells of sunshine and light winds mean that it's going to be a perfectly pleasant spring day. It's not going to be particularly warm just yet, but in the sunshine, and with those light winds, it will feel pretty pleasant. There is, of course, more details on the Met Office website through our app, and if you follow us on social media. Okay. Bye-bye.
Hello there. Now through today, remaining relatively mild across England and Wales, some brighter weather coming through, but that won't be the case further north. Snow warnings are in force across central and northern areas of Scotland. That cold air continues to feed in from the east across central and northern areas of Scotland. Further south, low pressure still in charge. Even so, it's a case of one or two showers rather than the rain we saw earlier in the day. And we've got a feed of very warm air coming up from the south-southwest, and that really will set the scene for this afternoon with temperatures. So through this morning into this afternoon, we can continue to see that snow, particularly over the higher grounds of central and northern areas of Scotland, but even at lower levels for a time as rain pushes ever northwards. So some wet weather to come for Northern Ireland, southern Scotland as well. Brighter skies emerge across northern England through the afternoon. You can see there's warm winds coming up from the south-southwest. So let's have a look at the temperatures through the afternoon. They could actually reach 14 degrees Celsius for the southeast, East Anglia,
Look how much
towards
already.
parts of Yorkshire as well. 13 generally, but look at this. In contrast, 3 or 4 will be your high across central and northern areas of Scotland if you're lucky. That's the picture through Tuesday afternoon. Through Tuesday night, that snow warning remains in force again for central and northern areas of Scotland. And then another gaggle of showers comes in from the southwest. So some wet weather to come first thing on Wednesday morning, particularly for the southwest as well as Wales, and some stronger winds here, but a clear end to the night further east. The first thing tomorrow morning, some bright skies for eastern parts of England, and here temperatures holding around 6 or 7 degrees Celsius, but more rain pushes up across northern England, clips the far north of Wales, and then moves in across Northern Ireland. You can see where the snow is through Wednesday morning into the afternoon, but then this batch of rain and hill snow will retreat towards the east through the afternoon. So brightening skies for the Western Isles, Western Scotland, Northern Ireland seeing 1 or 2 blustery showers of cold wind here, so milder breeze coming up from the south across England and Wales, and temperatures typically 11 to 13 degrees Celsius. Now, low pressure clears off the scene through Wednesday into Thursday. We see a ridge of high pressure come in through Thursday into Friday, and what that means, it could be a chilly start first thing on Thursday with the risk of a frost anywhere
Yeah,
from Wales northwards,
not too.
but then brighter skies, some sunshine,
Right.
a lighter breeze across England
Let's
and
show you
Wales.
the top one, not too bad.
Cloud thickens from the west later, and this rain will arrive
7,
on Friday.
10, 12,
The temperatures recovering through Thursday. 7 to 9 will be your high, up
or
to 12
6.
further southeast. Bye-bye.
Hello again. Stark contrast up and down the country with wet and cold weather in the north, milder in the south, and some sunshine developing by Tuesday afternoon. These blues here indicating the cold air across Scotland, but milder temperatures are arriving on a southwesterly breeze with low pressure to the southwest of the country. We'll also see some very unsettled weather across much of the UK. Weather fronts moving their way northwards. These weather fronts have already brought spells of rain and hail snow across Scotland as we start Tuesday. They're petering out, but the next band of persistent rain pushes into Northern Ireland, Northern England, and by lunchtime that's into southern and central Scotland. It does contain slightly milder air, which means most of the snow on this will be confined to the hills of Scotland, and certainly any disruptive snow above 300 metres or so. But some higher routes of Scotland could be affected by some disruption from this snow, yellow warning in force. Now, as the persistent rain clears Northern Ireland and Northern England, across much of the south, we're going to see sunshine and showers. The showers will be heavy where they occur, but in the sunshine, it will feel quite pleasant. 14 to 16 degrees there in the east.
Too bad.
Much colder across Scotland.
Feel like warmer.
The rain and hail snow continues across much of Scotland through the night. Rain to come as well for Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, further bouts of rain and showers push across the country. Clear spells in between, enough of a breeze and enough cloud and mild air across Wales to prevent a frost forming. But across Scotland, we keep the cold air. We keep the snow building up over the hills as well, and a frost at low levels in Bramble. So a chilly start across Scotland as we begin Wednesday. Further dreary weather to come here with outbreaks of rain and hail snow continuing. Elsewhere, brighter skies for a time, but some heavy, intense downpours soon pushing their way eastwards across the country. Hail and thunder a possibility, and these showers will be slow moving, so anywhere that's hit could be for some time. It could cause some issues with the intensity of those showers as they move through. There will be some sunshine away from the showers and increasingly drier and brighter weather pushing into the west as we end Wednesday. This low pressure pulls away Wednesday night and into the start of Thursday, and then a rich high pressure builds for Thursday, leading to the best day of the week. So once any lingering showers clear from the far east starts to begin Thursday, further showers to come from Scotland.
Bad drive.
Thursday is looking very nice.
Nice.
Plenty of sunshine.
Quite a bit.
It will feel warm in that sunshine. Temperatures reaching 30 or 40 degrees.
See you later, guys. Bye.